Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a map on the MapChart application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the create map option. And here you can select a different map type, for example world map, and new you can edit this map. If you click to the red circle icon, you can select another color and just select a country and step on it, and this colored. If you go to the three lines at the lower left corner of the screen, you can add different adjustments. For example, you can edit the background color, the border colors, and you can edit the text size. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.